guys, back in another video, and welcome to Do Not Press the Button. So, of course we're gonna press it. Alright. Oh, and by the way, I'm playing over here, Murder Mystery. You pressed it again, and you woke me up. Okay, punk, press it again. Yeah, that's it. Come on, one more time. Again. Do it. Okay, now you've had your fill. Stop clicking. You see, this is why we can't be friends. You're just too selfish. Grrr! Now you've asked for it. Do not press the button. You seem to be immune to my mind control. Time for plan B. Press it. You know that you want to. Ha ha ha. Now let's see if you press it. Oh, okay, hold on. I'm a murderer. I died. Okay. Boom. This pleases me. Meow. Ha, I have replaced the button with this cat. What are you gonna do now? I hate you. Quick, what's that behind you? Which one is it? Not so smart, are you? This one's real. Sure, a clever one. Time for round 2. Oh! This one. Aha, found it. No, really, I don't care anymore. In fact, I lost interest a while ago. I'm doing this just to entertain you, really. Do you like cartoons and paint? Cartoons and paint? Well, you should. Pick a color. Green, perfect. Press the red button. Press the green button. Yellow button. Aha. See, you just can't trust me, or can you? You know, I'm glad we get to spend so much time together. Doesn't it make you want to stop clicking the big red button? No, seriously. Look deep inside you. Deeper. What if I tell you that the next time you press the button, the world will explode? See, you could have been dead right there. And there. You know, eventually I'll stop letting you get away with this. The world is going to explode, and all of you care about pressing the button. Oh, okay, this time the world will explode. I guarantee. Boom, you're dead. That wasn't very smart, was it? Everyone's dead, even you. I'm not. I'm just text. But you're dead. Haha, dead face. Stop clicking. Have I ever told you how much I hate you? Well, I do. I'm gonna game talking weird if you click one more time. You said... Oh. You said... Oh no. Can't read me. Now, can you? Yes, I can. Oh, are you kidding me? What? You... No, I can't read that. You're Russian. Wait, but vent? I actually can't understand this guy anymore. ... You are really stubborn. Stop clicking, please. See, look, you've reduced me to begging. Stop. Please stop. Please. I'll give you a nickel. Dime? Quarter? Oh, come on. Just stop. That does it. Time to unleash my master plan. Got it. I hate you. I'll start to wonder why have you doing this for so long. Like, geez, all you've been doing is clicking a red button. Okay, I'm murderer again, sorry. How did I freaking die? Okay. How lame is that? But there is a bonus to all of this. But it's a secret, so I can't tell you. I got you, didn't I? I should have seen the look on your face, huh? You've been busy clicking search button. Well, all the time a little black button was watching every... Okay, that's creepy. Moo ha 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 ha. Ha ha ha. Ha ha. Boo ha ha ha. Ups, pardon me. Ha ha. He. Lol. Ruffle. Enough. If you press me one more time, you will regret it. Oh. Okay. Don't care. Little black button. Have you found it yet? Try harder. Like, actually, I don't see it. It's right under your nose. Got it. But I will not tell you. Or maybe I will. But you gotta stop clicking the button first. Okay. JK, stop. Now. Self, you'll never find it. Well, you might if you get lucky. What's your favorite letter? Mine is squiggly. What? Have you found it yet? No? Then stop clicking and I'll tell you. Let's get funky. The littlest one. Has anyone ever slapped you? Because I will. Really, I will. It won't hurt. Because you're dead. Dead. D-A-D-E-A-T. Remember, you've destroyed the entire planet. Thought I'd forget about that, didn't you? But an elephant never forgets. Unlike you. You killed everyone. Psycho. What would your mother say? That's right. Feeling bad. What? Do not press. You pressed it again and he woke me up. Okay, press it again. Wait, what? Wait, is that the end? Dude, that's the end. Yeah, that's the end. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't press the button or you will die. He called me a punk.